I'm doing some updates because I've reviewed a lot of wigs and I want to update them for you. If you are new here, I upload Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do often throw in little bonus weeks or uploads or what have you. So let's just get started. We are doing Sista Wigs updates, so I have 4 of those, and we're gonna start with the one that I'm wearing now. This is Sassy this is Sassy Tress. Like, look, it says Sassy HM-H Tress, whatever. She's in the color Sombre Root Charcoal. She has a half moon 6-inch, why can't I talk? 6-inch semicircle part. I have a full review on her. First things first, absolutely love the color. I do love the color of this wig. I think my thing is I don't like this part. I don't like it. It's too deep for me. I feel like it doesn't lay right for my liking. It's like completely in my face. I'm not into it. I did wear it as a ponytail and I did like it like that. Sort of like a, let's see my bra, you know, or even like this. I don't know. She's just not my jam. I just don't like this parting here. You know, she looks cute on the model, and yeah, see the model's wearing her as a ponytail, and that's fine. I would never even part my natural hair like that. So for me, it's just weird. But what is with this little, I think she has like baby hairs. Okay. Anyway, I like the texture, I like the color and all that. This is just not my wig. She just be in my face too much. I'm just not into it. Like even with on the stock card, it's like in her eye. This is not one I'll keep in my collection. I don't think she's horrible if you like this style and this type of parting. But if you don't, I wouldn't get her. There you go. Okay, next up is Miss Raven, and I have her in the color FS4/30, which I absolutely love. I love the texture of Raven. She's a light, yucky, really thick wig. I mean, this is all the hair to the front, but there is a lot of it. Warm wig. I don't have a ton of wigs in the number 4 color, so I'm happy to have that. You are going to see Miss Raven in a updated, or in a video comparing a few different wigs. I'm going to compare her to a Harlem 125 wig, also a Janet Collection wig, and any other wig that I think actually is the same style. So you will see her coming up in a video. She's not too tangly. I've worn her, I enjoy her. She's very easy to wear. Right now, like, you can shift her part. I'm pretty satisfied with the wig. I didn't get a ton of shedding either, and so I suggest this wig. I think she is definitely worth the price. And it's funny because initially I thought I would sell her, but the more and more I wear her and the more I realize that she reminds me of 2 wigs that I absolutely love, I'm like, you know what, never mind. Next up is Miss Envy, and this is another one of those Sassy Lace H Envy. I have her in the color Sombre Root Mocha. I really love this wig. The only thing that I will say is this texture is more of like a natural curly sort of, I don't want to say frizzy, but just if you have natural curly hair and just how it gets a little bit coarse, it's not really like yucky necessarily, or maybe it's like a yucky silky mix. But it does remind me more of like natural curly hair. It's very thick. Because the texture does like to tangle a little bit in the back, towards the bottom and the nape. So this is one you just have to keep an eye on for that sort of thing. This is a very hot wig. There's a lot of hair. It's a thick type of hair, which again, I like for that natural curly and making it look natural, but this just isn't a wig that you're wearing in the summertime. It's just not. It's too hot. It's just not going to work out. But I love this color. I just adore this wig, and I will wear her a lot in the winter, so I am going to actually keep her. But I think she's a great wig. Just keep an eye on the tangling, and just know, you know, you're not going to a barbecue when it's 100 degrees out wearing this wig. You're just not. Okay, and last but not least, it's really funny. This is the Dream Shift Cony 4-inch deep parted, and you can shift her around. Right before I put her on, I was like, you know what, I am not keeping her. She might actually already be listed on my Poshmark, which I'm gonna have to go in and take off. And I'm gonna tell you why I was gonna get rid of her and why I'm going to keep her now. I really love the coloring. I am not crazy about this dark root, but I don't mind it because it is sort of that sombre. The texture is maybe a light yaki. It is a little bit silky. The thing that I didn't like is when I wear her and when I reviewed her, I did her as a middle part, because for the most part, I'm like into middle parts. I feel like she looks like a different wig when you shift her to the side. I am liking it. And it's funny because I'm liking it on the right side and I'm normally a left side part girl. So that just shows you, just like dating, you gotta try a couple different wigs. I really like the coloring, like that somberness right there. Wig cap's so comfortable. Wig cap is so comfortable. I feel like this is good for the price. You can definitely get her around the $20 mark. And so yeah, other than the first wig, I think we did pretty good in terms of the Sister Wig wigs and which ones we're gonna keep and which ones we aren't. Give me your thoughts. What wigs do you think I should have kept, didn't keep? Is there anything in these updates that I'm not saying that you would like to know? She didn't shed too much. She shed a little bit, but not too much. And are there any of the wigs that I reviewed that you would like to see reviewed sooner rather than later? Also put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.